Furry little shadow, eyes so bright, prowling through the night with gentle might. Whiskers twitching, ears so fine, listen to secrets that only winds divine. Softly padding through the house at night, a silent hunter with a gentle might. Her little nose sniffs out the light as she chases dreams with a playful flight. In sunbeams warm, she curls up tight, a ball of fur, a joyful sight. Her purrs a hum, a soothing sound as she chases dreams with a playful flight. In sunbeams warm, she curls up tight, a ball of fur, a joyful sight. Her purrs a hum, a soothing sound as she dreams of mice in a world unbound. With a flick of her tail she'll play, chasing strings on a sunny day. Her little meow's a symphony sweet, a gentle creature that can't be beat. A mysterious soul with eyes so bright, a loyal friend through the dark of night. A furry companion that brings us cheer, a beloved cat that's always near.